Welcome to my series of videos on learning Photoshop. Now in this video I want to take a look at my method of getting images from the camera to the computer. Now you can do this manually if you want. You can use like say the Windows downloader and then just target Bridge to look at them. But there is this functionality and much more if you use the Adobe Bridge downloader. Now let's have a look how that works. Now I have a memory card in a card reader with some images on, and I'm now just going to connect that to the computer. So you'll hear a little click. Now the autoplay dialog will appear. Now when you download Bridge, what happens is it puts a little download icon in here, and you can click on that to open the downloader. Or I'll show you another way. I'll just dismiss that. Actually within Bridge there's this little camera here, and it's called Get Photos from Camera, and if we click on that it'll open up the downloader. Now it's a bit big. I'll see if it'll make a little bit smaller. I don't think it will, so I may just have to shuffle it up and down for you. Well, there we go. Well, we'll start from the top. If you see this when it appears, this is the standard one. And there's this little button here called Advanced Dialog. Why it's called Advanced, don't go there, I don't understand. But the best thing is to click on it, because what that allows you to do is see your thumbnails. So what exactly is advanced about that, I do not know. But there we have it. Now first thing I'm going to say, well, where do I want to get the photos from? Well, I'll select a device, and I'm going to select my EOS Digital, which is what I've got plugged in. And it's now going to show me all the thumbnails that's on that device, and there's quite a few because I've had a couple of shoots on this memory card. So first thing I want to do is to select the images. Now as you've seen, there's quite a lot on here, and not all of them do I require. So the first thing I'm going to do is go down to uncheck all, and I'm going to do that because that takes a tick out of everything. So now I'm going to import nothing. Now I select which ones I want to import. So I'm going to click on that first one. I'll scroll down to the end of all these train images, which is that one. I'm going to hold the shift key down and click on that one, and that's selected all the images, but it hasn't selected any yet for import. What I've now got to do is just go and click in the little box here on any of the images, and it puts a tick in them all that I want to import. Okay, next let's go down this side here at the right hand side, location. Where do you want to put them when you fetch them off the camera? So let's browse, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and then I'm going to look to my image library 2015, and I'll make a new folder. And I'll call it today's date. I'll call it 2906 underscore, and I took them in a place called Elsecar, and I click select folder and select folder again. So now you can see that folder's appeared here. Don't want to create a subfolder, this one underneath, in this occasion no, but you can do. Don't want to rename my files, again not on this occasion. These are all raw files, camera raw files. Do I want to convert them to DNG? Well, yeah, that is part of my workflow. You can, or you can leave that and it will just take them in as raw files and the XMP files. If you want to, you could make a backup at the same time. You could save copies to and send that, say, to an external drive. But I'm not going to do that just for this exercise. And then apply metadata. If you've got any standard metadata templates set up, you can apply any one of them as each image is brought in, and it gets embedded in each of the images. So it just saves you time. Okay, that's everything about done that I want to do. So now I'm just going to click Get Media. And there we are, all done and imported. So let's go and try and find them and have a look. So if I'm going to look on my desktop, and then in my folder, and then in my image library folder, then looking my year, my 2015, and down here now we should have a 2906 Elsecar, and here are all those images that I took when I was out today at Elsecar Heritage Centre, all converted to DNG and all with whatever metadata template that I wanted, all that information embedded into each file. Now I find this a tremendously useful tool to use. So that's it. How to use the photo downloader with Adobe Bridge to get images from your camera onto your computer, and in my case convert it to DNG and with all the metadata added. I hope that was useful. Thank you so much for watching. If you did find it useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for other free resources and videos. Or alternatively, you can visit my website for more free training on Photoshop and Lightroom. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.